Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be talking about what are the best wallpapers which are available for the Poco X3 smartphone. As you can see, right now I'm using the Poco X3 device, and in this video I'm using the pretty good looking wallpaper which is specially designed for this kind of punch-hole mobile phones. Not only for the punch-hole mobile phones, even if you're having the notch smartphone or any other phone which has single punch-hole or dual punch-holes, as you can see here. So there are each and every wallpaper available for different punch holes and notch. So doesn't matter which location it is. There's always a wallpaper available here. So if you want to know what is the wallpapers, and all the details will be available in the description. So try to check the playlist for the wallpapers. So in the playlist for the wallpapers, you can find all the videos. As you can see, friends, for each and every smartphone I have created a wallpaper video as well, as you can see. So try to go through the playlist of the wallpapers and you can find pretty good looking wallpapers. So right now in this video we'll be focusing only on the Poco X3 device. Even there are wallpapers available like this live wallpaper as well. So the wallpaper what I'm using currently, which is called the Wallpix application, so which is currently available in the Play Store as well. But using this application, there is one drawback which is found in the Poco X3 device. So let me try to show you what is the drawback right now. So let me try to open the Wallpix application. So let me try to select the other wallpaper app, not this one. As you can see, friends, right now I'm trying to select this kind of good looking wallpaper which is exactly suitable for the punch hole camera. So if you see this wallpaper, you will imagine that it is exactly suitable there. But if you go to the home screen, you can see the wallpaper is slightly tilted to the right side, as you can see, friends, clearly. So this what happens, this kind of wallpaper application. The only problem which I found in the Poco X3 only, unfortunately, but remaining other phones like Poco M2 Pro or other devices which are having punch holes, so it was working pretty fine, but only for the Poco X3 device. So this is a problem. So what I'm doing is that I'm not using this kind of wallpapers. I'm trying to use other kind of wallpapers which will not require this kind of punch hole. For example, let me try to demonstrate one type of wallpaper. As you can see, so this is one type of wallpaper which doesn't actually need the exact location, but it will exactly utilize that kind of punch hole interface. And now let me try to talk about the other application where you can actually download this kind of wallpapers into the gallery and you can set exactly location. This is what second method is. So right now I'll try to show you what is that application name. So next app name is the Note 10 wallpapers. As you can see, this is a wallpaper application which is available in the Play Store as well. So the advantage of this one is that you can actually download this kind of wallpapers into the gallery and then you can set the position exactly how you want. So right now I'm downloading, as you can see here, and it's got downloaded. And let me try to set this as a wallpaper so you'll get to know exactly, as you can see here. So by using the wallpaper application, the wallpaper doesn't exactly suit to the punch hole, so that's why you need to download in the gallery, and from there you need to set as a wallpaper. So right now you can see I have downloaded the wallpaper from the wallpaper application, and now you need to go to set as wallpaper. Now you can choose exactly the position how you want, as you can see, friends. So now I am trying to adjust the position. So now let me select to the home screen and go to the home screen. That's it. As you can see, it's clearly assigned to that kind of punch hole only. It is not aside. So this is the advantage of using this kind of wallpaper applications. And one advantage with this Wallpix application is that you won't get any in-app advertisement videos. So at the moment there is no advertisement videos available in this wallpaper application. You do get this kind of small ads only, not like the big ads. So whereas in this Note 10 wallpaper application, you do get every time you try to select a wallpaper, you'll get a advertisement, as you can see here. So this is a drawback of this application, but you can download the wallpapers to the gallery. So you don't need to open every time the application. You can directly go to the gallery and you can open there. So this is another benefit for this. So thank you for watching this video, friends. Next time I'll try to do the live wallpaper videos as well, best live wallpapers. So stay tuned by subscribing to my channel if you want to know more details about this kind of good looking wallpapers in the future as well. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.